This is the Acer Predator Orion 5000, and Acer says this thing is built to dominate modern gaming without you ever having to crack the case open yourself. But here's the real question. In a world full of flashy, pre-built gaming PCs that look powerful on paper, does this one actually deliver when you're gaming at 2 a.m., Discord open, Chrome tabs everywhere, and your GPU is begging for mercy? I've been digging deep, and there's a lot Acer doesn't put in the marketing. Acer Predator Orion 5000 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Acer Predator Orion 5000, a mid to high-end pre-built gaming desktop from Acer, refreshed with modern Intel CPUs and NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs. Depending on the configuration, you're getting up to an Intel Core i7 or i9, RTX 4070 or higher, fast DDR5 memory, and PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. This system is aimed squarely at serious gamers, the kind of people who want strong performance out of the box without building a PC themselves. It's also for creators who game on the side and want something powerful, stable, and relatively future-proof. Acer Predator Orion 5000 Performance. Okay, specs are great, but how does it actually feel to use? Here's the thing, it's fast, like genuinely fast. I threw everything at this system. Competitive shooters like Warzone, visually demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077, and even some light video editing and streaming. At 1440p, most modern AAA games run buttery smooth on high to ultra settings, and even 4K gaming is very doable depending on your GPU configuration. Load times are quick thanks to the NVMe SSD, and everyday tasks, booting Windows, opening apps, juggling multiple monitors, feel instant. What surprised me most is how consistent the performance is. Thermal management is solid, so you're not seeing big performance drops during longer gaming sessions. That means fewer frame dips, less stutter, and a smoother experience overall. For a pre-built, that's a big win. Features and tech. Close-ups of internals, airflow, RGB lighting. Let's talk standout features, because this is where the Orion 5000 separates itself from cheaper pre-builts. First up, airflow and cooling. Acer uses a mesh front panel, multiple RGB fans, and liquid cooling on higher-end CPUs. What that means for you is lower temperatures and quieter operation, even under load. Second, toolless upgradability. This is huge. You can open the side panel without tools, swap RAM, add storage, or upgrade your GPU down the line. You're not locked into Acer's ecosystem, and that's something a lot of pre-builts still struggle with. Third, PredatorSense software. This lets you control fan curves, RGB lighting, and system monitoring in one place. It's not just eye candy, it gives you real control over performance and noise levels, which is great if you like tweaking. Design and build. Design-wise, Acer leaned hard into the Predator gaming aesthetic, and honestly, it works. The Orion 5000 looks aggressive without being completely over the top. The angular front panel, subtle RGB accents, and transparent side panel strike a nice balance between gamer and premium. Build quality is solid. The chassis feels sturdy, airflow is clearly prioritized, and the internal layout is clean for a pre-built. It's not small, you want decent desk or floor space, but that extra size pays off with better cooling and easier upgrades. Pros. Excellent real-world gaming performance. Strong cooling and airflow for long sessions. Clean PredatorSense software for control and monitoring. Cons. Price can climb quickly with higher configurations. Stock fans can get noticeable under full load. Final verdict. So, who is this actually for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're a gamer who wants high-end performance without building a PC, the Acer Predator Orion 5000 is a really solid choice. It's powerful, well-cooled, and importantly, doesn't cut corners in ways that come back to bite you later. If you're a tinkerer who loves custom water loops and boutique parts, you might still prefer a DIY build or a more premium custom system. But for everyone else, especially gamers upgrading from an older rig or laptop, this delivers a smooth, reliable, and genuinely enjoyable experience.